One of Pathfinder's greatest values for the users is the ability to minimize the time investigators invest in searching for evidence. One of the methods to do so is by maximizing the scope of people that can enjoy the fruits of what others have already found and the ability to easily pass it on. Collaboration features help users increase the amount of people who can rapidly access valuable evidence using tags, comments, whiteboards, reports, export, global search, and more. Let's get started. First, I want to focus on tags. To save time and enable collaboration between team members, once an investigator examined the data, located important evidence, you can simply highlight those events either by using the predefined tags or by customizing them on your own. In the following example, the team received intel about the code FOX, and notice how FOX is spelled with a 0, used by gang members. The officer on duty searched the code in the chat view and is going to start tagging relevant events or relevant chats relating to FOX. You'll notice that on each of these, I'm simply doing tag event and F0X. Now, as we keep scrolling down, you'll see that I identify that Fox is associated with a car. So this is important. And here you can say you can tag the event with Fox. You could potentially add a comment here, but as we keep scrolling down, here I see another one where it says Fox on the move. And it looks like it's a truck, so I'm going to tag it first and I'm going to select it and I'm going to do add a comment, and you can add in anything you want to comment at this point. So I'm going to type here that it's with an image, so it's identifying that this Fox keyword is with an image. One of the most important features in Pathfinder is the ability to create a report that will summarize findings and present the information in a way that will be understood by multiple stakeholders with different levels of technical understanding. A visual report that relies on evidential pillars simplifies this. It really helps with the narrative of the case and saves valuable time and resources. Once tags and comments are assigned, investigators can select chosen items to generate a report, and a great starting point for this is the timeline. So let's hop to the timeline now. And what you're going to see is once we go to timeline, these are all of the tags. So I'm going to check the box to show all the items that are tagged. I'm going to select add a detailed report, and I want to include the list and include the comments made and select apply. These will now be exported, and you can share this information with other stakeholders that are working your same investigation. And as we scroll down, we can see in the report information here, we have the 2 images and all the information pertaining to Fox.